Hey, my name's Joel, and welcome to the Boxium Reviews YouTube channel. We created this channel because we know there's a lot of junk out there, so we dedicated ourselves to doing in-depth, honest reviews about products that you want to buy, things you want to check out before you spend your hard-earned money on them. So this channel is filled with an eclectic variety of things that might help you make your next purchasing decision and have less regret along the way. We really want this to be a community feel, so feel free to drop a comment on this video or any of the videos you see and let us know not only if you have questions, but if you have other products you'd like us to review on the channel in the future. We want this to be a real back and forth between the community and us as we create content that you truly find useful. So thanks for joining us here. Can't wait to share more videos with you every single week. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you get the notifications every time we put out a new video, and I'll see you in our next review.